Hi guys! Welcome back to this channel. Sa video na to ay tuturuan ko kayo kung paano nga ba natin mare-reduce o mapipigilan yung Chrome or Edge or any browser sa laptop or computer natin na kumain ng mataas na RAM or random access memory sa inyong mga devices. So this tutorial will boost the browsing speed of your browser, reduce the RAM usage, and improve the overall system performance. So let's get started. So ang gagamitin ko sa tutorial na to ay ang browser na Edge dahil wala akong Chrome. But if you're using Chrome, you can now open your Chrome browser on your end. The first step, you go to the top right corner of your screen, click the three dots, and then go to settings. And then after that, at the left side corner of your screen, go to system or system and performance, then go to the system tab. So ngayon, pwede na natin i-disable yung mga kailangan natin para ma-reduce yung RAM usage or yung kinakaing memory sa ating laptop. So, first one, please disable continue running background extensions and apps when Edge is closed. If you're using Chrome, pwede nyo i-disable itong when Chrome is closed. So, this will free up memories and optimize yung Chrome performance or yung Edge performance. The second one, please turn off the use graphics acceleration when available. Mas stop yung Chrome or yung Edge from overloading your GPU. Magiging smooth at magiging safer yung pag-browse natin. Makes the browser smoother and safer. So these are the things that we can disable or turn off on our browser. And then we go to the bonus tip. So yung bonus tip is click the three dots at the top right corner of your screen and then punta tayo sa extensions, manage extensions. On your end, you will see a window. And then if you have extensions na hindi nyo ginagamit, pwede nyo i-remove kasi mas onting extensions ay equal to a better speed and stability sa ating browser. This will make our Chrome or Edge faster and fix its real performance. So that's the tips that I can share to you guys regarding in improving our browser performance and paano malalesen yung RAM usage or reduce RAM usage sa ating system or device. So I hope this tutorial is helpful. If you found this tutorial helpful, please do like, follow, and subscribe on my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, guys. See you again on our next video. Bye bye.